Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, the place for clear, easy to follow technology guides. This tutorial explains how to determine whether an iPhone is using a genuine battery or if the battery health percentage has been modified, boosted, or artificially changed. This information is especially valuable for individuals who purchase or handle pre-owned iPhones. Many second-hand devices may display unusually high battery health even when the real capacity is significantly lower. By following the steps in this guide, anyone can verify the actual status of an iPhone battery and avoid inaccurate or misleading information. This guide includes Method 1. Use the battery usage percentages in settings. Method 2. View true battery cycle count and capacity through shortcuts. Let us get started. Method 1. Examine battery usage percentages in the Settings app. This first method uses only the built-in software on the iPhone. It offers a simple way to check whether the system is reading and reporting battery data correctly. Step 1. Access the Settings application. Begin by opening the Settings application, easily identified by its gray gear icon. Step 2. Go to the Battery menu. Scroll down the list and tap Battery. This page includes detailed information about power consumption, battery health, and which apps use the most energy. Step 3. Look at battery usage by app. Inside the battery section, find the list labeled Battery Usage by App. In a normally functioning device with a genuine battery, each app will display percentage values. These percentages indicate how much battery each app has consumed in the past 24 hours or over the last 10 days. Signs that may indicate a boosted or fake battery. Devices using modified or non-original batteries often fail to show accurate usage information. Warning signs include dashes appearing instead of percentages, most apps showing no battery usage at all, missing or incomplete activity charts, multiple apps with zero or unreadable consumption data. These issues typically occur because altered or boosted batteries cannot properly communicate with Apple's built-in monitoring system. When the system cannot extract authentic data, it substitutes blank symbols, which frequently signals that the battery is not genuine or has been tampered with. Additional notes for Method 1. Check high-usage apps first, such as Safari, Camera, Messages, or YouTube. A few processes sometimes appear without percentages, but if the majority of apps show missing data, that is a serious indicator of a modified battery. Although this method is not perfectly precise, it provides a strong initial clue about the battery's authenticity. Method 2. Identify true battery cycles through the Shortcuts app. This second method is far more accurate. It uses hidden analytics files generated by the device and reveals data such as actual cycle count and true capacity, information that cannot easily be falsified. Step 1. Add a battery diagnostic shortcut. Open the Shortcuts application. Install a shortcut that extracts battery information from the internal analytics logs. These shortcuts typically display true battery cycle count, actual maximum capacity, battery temperature, general diagnostic performance information. The shortcut reads the data directly from the device internal reports. Step 2. Turn on analytics sharing. Navigate to Settings, Privacy and Security, Analytics and Improvements. Enable Share iPhone Analytics. This allows the system to generate detailed diagnostic files that contain battery data. Step number 3. View the analytics logs. Still in the same menu, open Analytics Data. A long list of system-generated logs will appear. Choose the most recent file, ideally from the current day or the nearest available date. Step number 4. Find battery diagnostic values. Inside the analytics log, search for terms like battery status or battery cycle count. Open the entry containing battery details. You will see cycle count, the number of complete charge cycles, maximum capacity, the real battery health, additional internal measurements. How to recognize a boosted battery. Boosted or edited batteries often display unusual combinations of data, such as extremely high cycle count, for example, 700 to 850 plus cycles, very high maximum capacity, such as 96 to 100%, appearing at the same time. These values rarely go together. As cycle count increases, maximum capacity naturally decreases. A battery with several hundred cycles should not remain close to 100% health. A mismatch between these values strongly suggests the health percentage has been manipulated. Final thoughts? With these two methods, anyone can determine whether an iPhone uses a genuine battery, detect edited or boosted battery health percentages, verify the battery's true capacity, avoid purchasing second-hand devices with inaccurate battery data. And hey, for disclaimer purposes, this video by Wireless Solutions is created for educational and informational purposes only. All features and settings demonstrated are standard, publicly available options within iPhone devices, iOS, and official Apple or third-party apps. Results may vary depending on your iPhone model, iOS version, or app updates. Please review your settings carefully and make changes at your own discretion. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. And hey, please don't forget to subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more quick iPhone tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.